Hey everyone, my name is Blake Baswell. I'm the co-founder at Ideaify, and I'm super excited to be here today to give you an overview of how our software works, why we decided to create it, and of course give you a demo with some tips and tricks on how to get the most out of our platform, hopefully in less than 20 minutes. About 6 months ago, we realized that most creators just like you are, you're struggling trying to think of your own content, trying to come up with new content ideas, but often, wasting a lot of time trying to brainstorm what to write about, right? The problem is most creators still do not have a way to effectively communicate their message to their audience, right? That's captivating, informational, and personalized. Alessia, who is our other co-founder and a fellow content creator herself, stumbled across the same challenge as I did while trying to grow my brand. So after hours upon research, discussions with other creators, and long conversations with Alessia, we identified a common need and pretty much made it our goal to craft a solution. Because the desire for less time brainstorming or writing and more time actually spent on creating content or growing, a business or a brand has never been any higher than ever before. Until we built Ideaify. We didn't want to overwhelm our users with a plethora of features because, we've seen that way too many times in this space, and we've seen that many options can lead to unnecessary complexity, especially with what's already available on the market. And instead, we honed in on what truly matters most, what creators will actually use, and we pretty much consolidated all of the essentials into one powerful platform. And so here's Ideaify. We're really pumped about it. We've already had a bunch of users actually use it for the past couple of months. And honestly, we couldn't be any happier because Alessia and I, would never build a software that we wouldn't use on a daily basis. And, to be transparent, it's still in the early stages, obviously. There's still a lot of improvement that needs to be made, but I promise you, Ideaify is going to keep getting better and better. We're still incredibly early. We're still building our network with other creators, from those who are just getting started with their journey to those who are more seasoned with their careers. We are getting tons of amazing feedback from you guys while, our app is improving. So it's really exciting again. So keep it coming. Again, thank you for helping us develop Ideaify. But, today in this demo, I'm actually going to run you through this in-depth tutorial of Ideaify, a platform pretty much designed to revolutionize your content creation marketing and also your content creation workflows by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. Again, whether you're a seasoned content creator or, if you're just starting out, Ideaify really is here to streamline your processes and help you create better content faster. So here it is. Now, our software is essentially designed into 6 main pillars. So the first one is our dashboard, which you can see over here, where you'll be able to access all of our tools, right? Next is our Creator Toolkit, which is used to generate content with a single click. After that is our creative assistant, which is kind of like your own personal AI creative assistant to talk to and get help. Your account settings, which is pretty self-explanatory. Our community, where you'll be able to network with other creators who are actually using AI. And lastly, our free resources giving you an unfair edge. So let's go ahead and take a look into our dashboard. As you can see, this is our dashboard. Essentially, this is the central place where you'll log in every day and where you can access all of our tools. So in this section to the left, you can see where it says our AI creative assistant, which we'll go over that in a little bit. But below that is how we categorize all of our AI creator tools. Keep in mind, we have over 30 of them at the time of this recording, each of them having a different use case. Now, these categories are actually organized based off of the phases of the content creation process. So as you can see here, if you click on brainstorming and ideation, the tools that fit under that category populate on the right over here. So, when you need to think of new ideas and you want to use AI to write better content for blog posts or to help validate your business idea, maybe you create new content topic ideas, help you craft irresistible offers, really just to name a few tools, here is where they will be. So next up, we have the tools that are used when you need help with designer branding. So since this is mainly a language-based model for now, Ideaify will help you essentially come up with more clear ideas that will help your brand's aesthetics, your brand's tonality, or voice, as you can see over here, which is the brand voice tool. Pretty much come up with inspiration that will make yourself stand out better, okay? Now, after that, if you already have context, maybe you want to iterate, improve, or refurbish what you already have, we have tools for that under fine-tuning and enhancements. Some of these tools, you simply have to copy and paste whatever context you have, and you can use AI to make it sound better or turn them into something different. For example, you can create like a full Twitter thread from a single tweet or an existing tweet or idea that resonates with your audience. Or, you can take, for example, like a blog post and repurpose that into a short form video that's optimized for Instagram or TikTok. So really the opportunities are truly, truly endless here. So next, we have our tools that will help you with your marketing and distributing your content. So in other words, AI tools that will help you get more customers, right? Maybe you need help creating a content calendar for your social media campaigns, or perhaps, you're selling something and you want to create email copy, email subject lines, or you're using a messaging strategy and you actually want to help actually responding to a message. Again, these tools will help you do exactly that. Now, after that, we have our tools that we can use for post-production and video production. So these are more specific when you're about to shoot a video or if you've already filmed. So if you need help generating scripts, we have our short form script tool, which you can generate an entire Instagram or TikTok script in less than 30 seconds, which is really cool. You can get a list of video hook ideas, VSLs, or video sales letters if you're sending traffic to a landing page, or if you're a YouTuber, you can generate descriptions, get thumbnail ideas. Really, the opportunities are endless. Again, I use these tools on a daily basis, and it has been extremely helpful to create better content. Now, lastly, we have scaling and market research. Now, these tools are used particularly if you want to scale your existing content strategy, maybe, research new markets. As you can see, we actually have a keyword research tool right over here. Maybe you want actionable insights as to what you can do to grow your brand today. We have our social media growth tool. We also have a trend spotter tool where you can analyze certain trends on the internet and use that to your advantage. So that's how we organize all of our AI creator tools. So you just got a glimpse as to what you can do. Again, there are over 30 of them for you to try out for yourself. Now, if you wanted to just view all of them, I just did click all tools category, and they won't be separated. As you can see, the entire list of our tools. Okay, so using a tool in our toolkit. Now, ideally, the way that is going to be the most effective is to use, obviously, our categories on the left. Pick a tool based on your specific need, right? In just a bit, I'm going to walk you through one of my personal workflows and actually how I use Ideaify to generate short form videos. Again, this is one out of many, many, many ways you can use Ideaify, but this one is going to be the most effective ways, honestly, that work for me. So let's just say you've ran out of content ideas, right? And I'm sure you've been there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the brainstorming and ideation right over here, this category. And then I'm going to click on the content topic ideas tool. And then I'm going to actually fill in the information to the best of my ability so that the AI can help me generate new content ideas. Okay, so the rule of thumb here, or the way that these tools work, is the better the inputs, the better the outputs. Oftentimes, the more specific you are, you'll likely get a good response. But from my personal experience working with this AI model, sometimes if you give it creativity, if you fill in low quality inputs or just single sentence inputs, you might be really surprised as to what our AI can create. So just, again, play around with it. So I'll go ahead and I'll fill in the information to the best of my ability, starting with my industry or niche. As you can see right over here, you might have a drop down of the previous input history. If you filled in the same input using another tool, you actually don't have to retype inputs over and over again, which is pretty clutch to have, if you ask me. So if you see something you like, just select that from the drop down. But in this example, I'll go ahead and just type out a new one. So let's just say I want to create new topic ideas around building a no-code software, or SaaS companies, which stands for software as a service. So if you're wondering, Ideaify actually fits under that category. So right now I'll type in no-code software, comma SaaS, comma AI, and then perfect. Cool. Next, I'll describe in my target audience, who am I creating content for? Let's just say, I want to create content specifically for online entrepreneurs, agency owners, and business owners. It's important that you understand your audience and who you're trying to target or attract with your videos. So that said, I'll type in online entrepreneurs, agency owners, and business owners. Okay, cool. So I'll just click out of that. Next, we have content type right over here. What type of content would I like to generate ideas for? Well, let's just say I want to create a bunch of short form videos. So I'll select short form video over here. Boom, just like that, scroll down. After that, we can actually make this response even better by providing specific keywords or buzzwords or themes that can help our AI better understand what to actually write about. So let's just say in this example, I want to use words like no code. I want to use bubble, which is a no code app builder, artificial intelligence, software, and SaaS. Let's do that. Once that's done, I'll choose the format I want my videos to be by selecting any one of the drop-down options. Let's do inspirational here because I'm trying to aim for more top of funnel engagement. Sometimes we have an optional tab if we have more specific information we'd like to give, or in this case, a competitor link. Our AI can actually analyze that to better generate competitive content, ideas that work, right? In this example, and for the sake of time, I'll just leave that one blank. Next, you'll see an additional instructions. In this example, for the sake of time, I'll go ahead and I'll just leave that blank. So next, you'll see an optional input that says additional instructions. Now, this is really our way of communicating to our AI any extra relevant details, background information, the do's and don'ts, so that it can better understand your goals in order to pretty much craft the best response. Again, this one is optional. So in this example, again, for the sake of time, I'll leave that one blank. Now, in the last input, we have over 30 languages you can actually translate to. Again, this option is pretty cool if you're trying to write transcripts in another language or, blog posts, etc. But it is optional, and left blank, the default will be English. Now, once you've filled out the information to the best of your ability, all you need to do is hit generate and then wait until our AI will create a response. But before we do that, if you need more help or support with any of our tools, if you navigate to the top actually right over here, and if you see the little icon or more information and you click on it, right over here, Alessia and I have created individual tool demos for every single one of our tools if you need additional support. There's going to be a video right over here along with a short guide. So let's go ahead and hit that generate button. Boom, and there you go. In less than 30 seconds, there you will see the AI generated content that we can actually save if you like it right over here. It's kind of like the bookmark emoji, which I'll show you where to find all of your saved generations in just a little bit, or copy by clicking this button directly into your clipboard. Again, just recap, this is essentially how all of our AI tools work. In our Creator Toolkit, we have over 30 of them, each with their own use cases, as we're continuously refining them as we will continue with adding more tools to our toolkit. Now, that brings us to the AI Creative Assistant, which is probably one of our most powerful features within our platform. So here's how you can navigate our AI Creative Assistant by clicking this button at the bottom right of the screen right over here, or by navigating back to the dashboard and selecting AI Creative Assistant. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click that right over here. This is essentially the place where you can get more customized responses through a conversation rather than filling in the required inputs using our toolkit. We've actually built this model using GPT-4, which at the time of this recording is the latest and most advanced AI model that exists. And we will continue to update our AI Creative Assistant to the best and the most powerful model using OpenAI. In fact, you actually have to pay $20 a month just to use OpenAI's ChatGPT-4, and if you're using Ideaify, you can use it for free up to 2,000 tokens or as many times as you want with our unlimited plan. So if you're familiar with ChatGPT, our AI works pretty much the same. However, our AI Creative Assistant is actually trained on data curated specifically for content creation, digital marketing, and entrepreneurship, meaning that when you engage with our AI model, you're not just tapping into generic AI, you're tapping into a highly specialized model that understands your unique challenges and needs if you're a content creator, you're a marketer, or you're an entrepreneur. Again, our AI Creative Assistant has been crafted to provide you with intelligent and targeted creative responses, maximizing your productivity and improving the quality of your content. Now to begin, you can use our community-made prompt templates, which we continuously update to start a conversation with our AI, or you can converse with it yourself if you need a more custom response, whether you're seeking further iterations for your next blog post, social media campaign, or marketing strategy. Our AI creative assistant really is there to help. So let's go ahead and select a template. I'm actually going to choose what unique storytelling ideas can I incorporate to make this content stand out, right over here at the bottom. So I'm actually going to use the one from the content topic ideas tool. So as you can see, it just gave me a response. Now I'm going to go and I'm actually going to want to use one of the previous responses from the content topic ideas. And to find that, I'm actually going to go to the settings, my account settings right over here. I'm going to go to my history, right? And then I'm actually going to take one of the content ideas right over here. I like number 3 from idea to execution. So I'm just going to copy that. We're going to go back into the AI creative assistant. It actually remembers our conversations, and I'm actually just going to paste that in. I'm going to say, okay, great. How about this? Boom. And then I'm just going to send that. So essentially it's going to give me unique storytelling ideas to pretty much help that content topic idea stand out. It's going to give me a little bit more tips as to what I can do in order to make this content better. So we're just going to wait for that response. And voila, there it is. So the response from that content topic idea is what it gave me, and it says, that's an excellent topic that you can explore in multiple fascinating ways across various social media platforms. Cool. So it just gave me a breakdown of Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Threads, explaining how I can use that for those specific platforms. Again, this makes it super simple if you're familiar with, ChatGPT, or even if you haven't used it before and you want to access your own creative assistant using AI to help you out with pretty much anything you need in regards to content, marketing, or business, then this tool can be very, very, very useful to use. So the next thing is navigating your account settings. So this is going to be probably one of the most important sections in our app, which you can find at the top right of your screen, which is your account settings. So when you want to see all of the history, the history of your past generations, if you've used any of the AI creator tools, or you can view your account details. If you're on the paid plan, you can actually manage your subscription here, or if you're on the free plan, you can actually upgrade to the unlimited plan here. You can access, as you can see, your overall token usage dashboard, which is pretty important to see how much you actually use our application, or if you've saved any of the responses you liked in the past, as you've probably seen before, that you like, you can see it over here. It's pretty straightforward. We even have that save sections as well too for the responses that you really like. You can see it is all here. It's pretty straightforward. Again, this will always be on your top right. Now, the next thing is accessing our community. Being a creator can oftentimes be a lonely road, and without a community of people who have your back, sharing successes, and are striving towards sort of the same mission, without that, the odds are stacked against you. At Ideaify, we understand the challenges of content creation, right? And that's why we've curated a vibrant community of like-minded individuals to help each other at every step of the way. So that said, you get access to more than just an AI-powered platform, right? This platform actually sets us apart from most of the AI-powered tools out there, because when you join, you become a valued member of our AI community and get the support you need. Our community is pretty much like a hub of like-minded individuals, including content creators, digital marketers, entrepreneurs, all coming together to support and inspire each other. Okay, I'll actually be hosting exclusive weekly webinar training sessions inside of there, unveiling the latest insights in everything content creation, digital marketing, entrepreneurship, any updates on our app, and AI, again, by the very team that brought Ideaify to life, right? These sessions offer very easy to digest and a lot of valuable knowledge, empowering your path to success. Again, we will provide you with the opportunity to connect directly with Alessia, myself, and the rest of the team here at Ideaify. So again, it's a free group, and you can join our Telegram by clicking the link below, or actually in our app on the top right. Just by clicking this, it'll open up in a new browser, or by scanning the QR code on the screen here. So free resources. My team and I have created and still are making more free training resources that you can actually find on our website or inside of our app. I'll actually go ahead and click on that right now. That will help you elevate your content game. And even if you're not a paid user at Ideaify, again, it's completely free. So you can find that on our website, and we're adding more stuff as we speak. So yeah, that's pretty much it with, the way that we structured our app. The goal is to really make it simple, not bombard you with all of these unnecessary features where you get lost and you spend hours trying to create content again. We are constantly interviewing content creators, trying to make the app the best app we can, and we're constantly looking for feedback as we'll continue to work out the kinks and make this app better and better every single day. So as I said, my goal was to make this demo short, hopefully less than 20 minutes, which was really a testament of how simple we made this product. That was very much on purpose. We didn't want to make this training 10 hours long and try to explain how this all works, because the goal is to have you guys spend the least amount of time learning how to use Ideaify and more time actually using it, and of course having fun creating content. So anyways, I'm really excited with where we are. Thank you guys for all of the feedback you provided. If this demo wasn't enough for you and you're looking for more information, or perhaps you want a more personalized demo where one of our team members will actually walk you through our software, then we're more than happy to do that as well too. I'll drop the link down below. Again, our goal is to help you grow your business, grow your brand, and make content creation fun using one of the most fun and exciting and powerful tools that exists, which is artificial intelligence. So that is what it is. Super pumped for you to be a part of Ideaify's early launch. We're glad you're here. So good luck, everyone. Good luck scaling. Good luck on your content creation journey, and I'll see you soon.